Muscle hypertrophy is the process of increasing muscle size. It's the primary goal for many people hitting the gym, aiming for that toned physique or powerful build. Hypertrophy happens when muscle fibers are subjected to stress, like lifting weights. Imagine your muscles as bundles of fibers. When you work out, these fibers experience tiny tears. Don't worry, this is a good thing. Your body responds by repairing these tears, making the muscle fibers bigger and stronger. This cycle of damage and repair is what leads to muscle growth over time. The more you challenge your muscles, the more they adapt and grow. This adaptation allows you to lift heavier weights, perform more reps, and see visible changes in your physique. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, understanding hypertrophy is key to unlocking your muscle building potential. Exercise, specifically strength training, is the stimulus for muscle growth. Lifting weights, using resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises create the necessary stress for your muscles to adapt and grow. Consistency is key here. Regular workouts send a signal to your body that it needs to build and maintain muscle mass. Nutrition is equally important, providing the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. Protein is particularly crucial, as it provides the amino acids your muscles need to rebuild and get stronger. Carbohydrates also play a vital role, supplying energy for your workouts and replenishing glycogen stores in your muscles. Finally, rest is when the magic happens. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone and focuses on repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. Adequate sleep, along with rest days between workouts, allows your muscles to recover fully and grow stronger. Without proper rest, you risk overtraining and hindering your progress. Testosterone, often associated with masculinity, is crucial for both men and women in building muscle mass. It promotes protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle proteins, and increases the release of other anabolic hormones. While men naturally have higher levels, women still benefit from testosterone's muscle-building effects. Sports scientist media HGH growth and development, muscle building, athlete muscle growth, hormone release. HGH, as its name suggests, is essential for growth and development, including muscle growth. It stimulates cell growth and regeneration, helping your muscles recover and grow after strenuous workouts. HGH also plays a role in fat metabolism, which can contribute to a leaner physique. While we can't directly control our hormone levels, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep can optimize their production. This hormonal balance is essential for maximizing your muscle-building potential. Section 4. Muscle growth, male versus female. While the principles of muscle growth hold true for both sexes, there are some key differences between male and female muscle development, primarily due to hormonal variations and body composition.
Men generally have a higher proportion of muscle mass and a lower body fat percentage than women. This difference is largely attributed to testosterone, which men produce in significantly higher amounts.
Consequently, men tend to build muscle more easily and quickly compared to women. However, this doesn't mean women can't achieve significant muscle growth. While they may not bulk up in the same way as men, women can still develop lean muscle mass and strength through consistent training and proper nutrition.
Genetics also plays a role in muscle growth for both sexes. Some individuals naturally have a higher proportion of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which have greater potential for growth, while others may have more slow-twitch fibers geared towards endurance.
Understanding your body type and genetic predispositions can help tailor your training and nutrition for optimal results. Section 5. Strength training for beginners, a safe start. Embarking on a strength training journey can be both exciting and daunting, especially for beginners. The key is to start slowly, focus on proper form, and gradually increase the intensity over time.
Begin with bodyweight exercises like squats, push-ups, and lunges. These exercises help you develop a good foundation of strength and stability without the need for any equipment.
As you get stronger, you can incorporate weights, resistance bands, or gym machines. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing results. Focus on executing each movement with control and precision. engaging the target muscles effectively.
If you're unsure about proper form, don't hesitate to ask for guidance from a certified personal trainer or experienced lifter. Start with a weight that challenges you, but allows you to maintain good form. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each exercise.
As you get stronger, you can gradually increase the weight, sets, or repetitions to keep challenging your muscles. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, allowing for adequate rest between workouts.